The universe is full of wonders, many of which we can barely begin to understand. Some of these wonders exist light years away, far beyond our reach. But there's one cosmic phenomenon that would be so powerful and dangerous that if it entered our solar system, it could change everything: a blazar. A blazar is a type of active galactic nucleus, an extremely energetic and compact region at the center of a galaxy. Powered by a supermassive black hole, a blazar emits intense beams of radiation, most notably in the form of gamma rays and powerful jets of particles, which can stretch across vast distances. What would happen if one of these extraordinary, destructive objects found its way into our solar system? Blazars are among the most violent and extreme phenomena in the universe. At the heart of every blazar lies a supermassive black hole, often millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. As matter falls into this black hole, it accelerates to near light speed and generates intense jets of radiation, visible light, X-rays, and, most importantly, gamma rays. These jets are pointed directly at us, at any observer who happens to be in their path, like us on Earth. These gamma-ray bursts are so powerful that they can have a devastating impact on everything in their line of fire. For instance, the radiation from a blazar could sterilize life on nearby planets, stripping away atmospheres and irradiating surfaces. A blazar is not just a cosmic light show, it's a force of destruction. So, what if one of these blazars was not just a distant, unseen force, but entered our solar system? The immediate question: how could a blazar enter our solar system? In the vastness of space, this seems improbable. Blazars are typically located billions of light years away, so the odds of one wandering into our solar system are astronomical. However, let's imagine a scenario where this could happen. If a blazar were to travel toward our solar system, perhaps due to the movement of its galaxy or some other cosmic event, it would start to affect us long before it actually reached us. As the blazar's jets of high-energy particles and radiation made their way through space, they would begin to interact with our heliosphere, the bubble of solar wind that surrounds our Sun and protects us from much of the cosmic radiation. As the blazar drew closer, the radiation would begin to have a profound effect on the outer edges of our solar system. Even the icy bodies in the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, beyond Pluto, would feel the effects. When the radiation reaches Earth, the effects would be catastrophic. The blazar's gamma rays, which are high-energy photons, would be absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere. In small doses, gamma radiation is hazardous, but a concentrated burst could cause immediate harm to life on the surface. The radiation would strip away large portions of the Earth's protective ozone layer, leaving the surface vulnerable to lethal ultraviolet rays from the Sun. This could trigger a mass extinction event, wiping out plants, animals, and other life forms. The food chain would collapse. The Earth's atmosphere could be dramatically altered, leading to temperature changes and, potentially, an extinction-level event. Even without direct contact with the surface, the radiation from the blazar could interfere with technology, satellites, power grids, and communication systems would all be at risk. The intense radiation could fry electronics, and the long-term effects on human health would be severe, with an increase in cancers and genetic mutations. But the destruction wouldn't end there. The blazar's powerful particle jets could also disrupt Earth's magnetic field, causing massive geomagnetic storms. These storms could increase radiation exposure, disrupt navigation systems, and even cause electrical outages on a global scale. But Earth wouldn't be the only planet in our solar system to feel the effects. The intense radiation and high-energy particles from the blazar would wreak havoc on other planets, moons, and even distant objects like asteroids. For instance, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, would be impacted by the radiation from the Blazars jets. Its intense magnetic field might offer some protection, but its moons, like Europa, Ganymede, and Io, could be bombarded by radiation. This could sterilize their surfaces, destroying any potential for life that might exist in their subsurface oceans. Saturn's rings and moons could experience a similar fate, with the radiation causing them to glow with an eerie intensity, as if they were caught in the Blazar's energy field. Moons like Titan, with its thick atmosphere, might offer a degree of protection, but it would still be at risk of massive temperature shifts, atmospheric disruptions, and radiation damage. The solar system would essentially be plunged into a violent, chaotic state, no part of it untouched by the cosmic storm. In the long term, the solar system would be irrevocably changed. After the radiation from the Blazar passes, Earth would be left to contend with the aftermath. The planet's climate would likely shift dramatically, with cooling or heating patterns caused by the damage to the atmosphere. The loss of the ozone layer would take decades, if not centuries, to repair, leaving Earth vulnerable to the harsh rays of the sun for a long time. The radiation would have altered the course of life on Earth. Even if some life survived, it would be dramatically different. Evolution would have to start anew in a harsh, irradiated world. Some forms of life might adapt, but the ecosystems would be drastically transformed. As for the rest of the solar system, the inner planets would bear the brunt of the damage. The outer planets, with their thick atmospheres and protective magnetic fields, might fare slightly better. However, the solar system would no longer be the same tranquil place it once was. It would be a place of chaos, a realm forever altered by the Blazar's passage. As unlikely as it may be for a Blazar to enter our solar system, this hypothetical scenario raises an important question. Could we, as a civilization, detect and potentially avoid this kind of cosmic catastrophe? Fortunately, the detection of Blazars is possible. Astronomers have telescopes that monitor the skies, looking for high-energy gamma rays and X-rays that signal the presence of such powerful objects. If we were to detect a Blazar on a collision course with our solar system, we might have some time to prepare. While there is no current technology that could prevent or deflect such a cosmic event, our understanding of space and the development of space-based defense systems could one day offer a way to mitigate some of the potential damage. But for now, the best we can do is monitor the sky, continue studying these objects, and hope that the odds of such a disaster remain incredibly small. The universe is a place of extremes, full of objects and events far beyond our comprehension. A Blazar entering our solar system might seem like a distant, almost impossible scenario. But as we continue to explore, to understand, and to look deeper into the cosmos, we are reminded of the sheer power of the universe and how fragile our place in it truly is.